Okay, we've got this modeled together and we've come to the point of setting up Betaflight. The first thing I like to do is go through all the different tabs top to bottom and that the accelerometer and gyros are working. Now we have 4 motors here and they all have to go in a particular direction. If you recall, I put this together with this ESC, but the ESC was rotated 90 degrees. So in this case, motor 4 is on the top right, and we need to move it to the top left. And same goes for all the other motors. So we're going to use the command line interface in Betaflight and remap each one of our motors, basically rotating each one 90 degrees. So we're moving them virtually 90 degrees. After we have all these addresses mapped, I'm going to type save, which will save the new settings to the firmware, reconnect, and verify what we did was what we wanted. So now that the motors have been rotated into the correct positions, we have to make sure they're going in the correct direction. So what I'm going to do here is spin each one of these up and determine that they're going in the right direction. I'll use the little diagram up in the motors panel to tell me which direction they need to go. Now we're going to start up the BL Heli Suite 32, and this is going to allow us to connect to the ESC and get basically deep down into the settings of each motor. So what I'm going to do here is start reversing the motors that I know are going in the wrong direction. With that complete, I'll reboot the flight controller and get back into Betaflight. Move on to the Motors tab and check out that each motor is in the right position and going in the right direction. So starting at the top left with motor 4, see that it's going in the right direction, and it is. And number 2, counterclockwise, it's also working. And with that complete, ready to move on to the next step. Okay, time for a hover test. Now for this test, all I'm going to do is run it for a whole battery. And I'm going to run it in my garage. I'm pretty secure about not letting the whole thing freak out. And we'll let this thing go and make sure that we've got everything set correctly. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, click the subscribe button to get more videos and give me a thumbs up. See you flying.